Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Just having a little afternoon ride and having some fun with our new Insta360 camera.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
We are very, very fortunate. We live in West Virginia, and the whole state is absolutely beautiful. But particularly where we live, we can travel into other states very easily, and the entire area is gorgeous. Mountains and rolling hills and forests and a ton of places to hike, waterfalls, amazing, great motorcycle roads. Very lucky. So today, this was just a get out and ride because it was a beautiful day. So I am getting ready to write an article on my blog all about riding together as a couple and how it builds your relationship, the stronger, riding two up. And yes, you can ride together, each on your own motorcycle, and that also is an amazing experience. But for us, we love riding two up. It is truly sharing everything. Packing space, life or death situations, everything. And we love it. You truly are putting your lives in each other's hands. And it is an amazing experience, especially if you take long trips, driving across the country, which we have done. But anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. I may do a vlog about that sometime, but coming up soon, I will be posting on my blog site. As you can see, in this video, it's not just the Insta360. I am still shooting some things with my iPhone. I probably will switch and use the Insta360 on the stick sometimes, but I really like popping my iPhone out when it just feels like a beautiful spot to me. And there's a little bit more vibration, but it feels more real when you watch it. It's a little more grainy than in the picture than the Insta360, but when we hit a bump, you see the bump. When we go around a turn, you can feel it a little bit more in the iPhone. Of course, I haven't really used the 150 degree view on the Insta360 in this video yet. On this ride, I didn't use that. So that's coming later. And for this day, we were just having a joyride and putting the camera, the Insta, in a couple of different spots on the bike just to see what we see. So just sharing that with you here. and hopefully put some fun music to it. And yeah, that's about it.
Set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape,